Samsung unveils Galaxy Book 6 series laptops with Intel's latest 18A processors. Samsung has officially introduced its next-generation Galaxy Book 6 series at CES 2026, marking a major leap in laptop performance and efficiency. Powered by Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors built on Intel's advanced 18A, 1.8nm class node, these laptops promise better performance, longer battery life, and cooler operation. The new lineup includes 3 models: Galaxy Book 6, Galaxy Book 6 Pro, and Galaxy Book 6 Ultra. 3 powerful models for every user. Samsung offers flexibility with 3 variants: Galaxy Book 6 Standard Model, Galaxy Book 6 Pro Premium Performance, Galaxy Book 6 Ultra High-End Powerhouse. The Ultra model is available only in 16-inch size, while the Book 6 and Book 6 Pro models come in both 14-inch and 16-inch options. Stunning dynamic AMOLED displays. The Galaxy Book 6 Pro and Ultra feature premium dynamic AMOLED 2X touchscreens with adaptive refresh rates from 30Hz to 120Hz. This ensures smooth visuals for gaming and animations while saving battery during video playback and reading. Key display highlights: True Bright 1300 certification, True Black 0.0005 nits, 500 nits brightness SDR, up to 1000 nits peak brightness HDR, Gorilla Glass DXC with anti-reflective coating, reduces reflections by up to 75%. Next-gen Intel Core Ultra performance. The new Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors offer up to 16 CPU cores, P+E cores, 60% faster performance than previous generation, 50 TOPS NPU for AI tasks. Galaxy Book 6 Ultra configurations. Intel Core Ultra X9, 9, X7, and 7 processors. Integrated Intel Arc GPU, 70% faster. Optional NVIDIA RTX 5060/RTX 5070. 8GB GDDR7 graphics memory. RAM options: 16GB/32GB/64GB LPDDR5X. Storage: 512GB/1TB/2TB PCI SSD. Extra expansion slot. Galaxy Book 6 Pro specifications. Intel Core Ultra X7, 7, and 5 processors. 16GB/32GB LPDDR5X RAM. Storage: 256GB/512GB/1TB PCI SSD. 16-inch model includes extra SSD slot. Galaxy Book 6 Standard Model. The standard Galaxy Book 6 is designed for everyday users. IPS LCD display, 350 nits. Intel Core Ultra 7 or 5, older gen. 16GB/32GB RAM. Storage: 256GB/512GB/1TB SSD. Expansion slot available. Ethernet port included. Massive battery life and fast charging. Samsung promises up to 30 hours of video playback on Pro and Ultra models. Battery details. Model battery charging. Book 6 Ultra 80.20 WH 100W, 140W with GPU. Book 6 Pro 14-inch 67.18 WH 65W. Book 6 Pro 16-inch 78.07 WH 65W. Book 6 61.20 WH 45W. The Ultra model supports fast charging and reaches 63% in just 30 minutes. Redesigned cooling system. Samsung completely redesigned the cooling architecture. Larger vapor chambers. New fin structure. Improved airflow grills. 35% better cooling efficiency. Quieter fan operation. This ensures better thermals during gaming, editing, and heavy workloads. Immersive audio experience. Galaxy Book 6 Ultra. 6 speakers. Dual upfiring tweeters. Force cancelling woofers. Dolby Atmos support. Galaxy Book 6 Pro 16-inch. Similar setup with fewer woofers. Galaxy Book 6 Pro 14-inch. Dual speaker system. Connectivity and ports. Pro and Ultra models. 2x Thunderbolt 4. USB-A. HDMI 2.1, 8K at 60Hz/5K at 120Hz. SD card reader. Headphone jack. Wi-Fi 7. Bluetooth 5.4. Standard Galaxy Book 6. 2x USB-C. 2x USB-A. HDMI. Ethernet port. MicroSD card slot. Wi-Fi 6E. Bluetooth 5.4. Slim and lightweight design. Samsung optimized portability. Book 6 Pro 14-inch, 1.24 kilograms, 11.6 millimeters. Book 6 Pro 16-inch, 59 kilograms, 11.9 millimeters. Book 6 Ultra, 1.79 kilograms, 1.89 kilograms with GPU. Book 6 Standard, 1.48 kilograms, 14-inch, 1.75 kilograms, 16. Touchscreen models at extra thickness in weight. Launch and availability. Samsung will release the Galaxy Book 6 series in select markets later this month. Pricing will be announced at launch. Enterprise Edition models will arrive in April 2026. Final verdict. The Samsung Galaxy Book 6 series sets a new benchmark for premium Windows laptops. With Intel's groundbreaking 18A processors, AMOLED displays, AI performance,